friends, and welcome back to SS Text and Creation YouTube channel. And today in this video we'll see how to do connection to MySQL database in Codeigniter, and also in this video we'll see how exactly the model view controller work, means MVC work, means how from controller we are calling the model, loading the model, and from model we have fetching the data from database, and again it return back to the controller, and the controller from the controller whatever data we get from the database, from module, we can say that data we have to show to the view part. This all the things we will cover in this video. Then let's begin with the video. Okay, if you have not seen our further videos that how to load can say install a Codeigniter on VM, and how to create our custom controller, then you can, in description below there can the link of that video, then you can watch that video, and after that we can watch this video, then you can understand more clearly if you don't know how to create a custom controller. Otherwise you can continue with this video. Okay, we can say also we have shown that how to remove the index.php from the URL. Okay, let's begin. We have created our custom controller. Here you can see there is a testing controller, and this is a testing controller.php. This is controller, and this is testing.php. This is our view. Okay, now we have not created any model. Okay, means we are not fetching from any data, but first before creating the model we have to create a database. Okay, in MySQL. Then we will go in browser here, and I'll just write here localhost like phpmyadmin. Okay, here you can see I'm gone in a localhost. Here I have to create one database. I will click on this button, database. Here I will just write any database like my about project is my project, no? Okay, 1 minute. JSC my project. Okay, this is a database now. Our project name is also my project only. Creating the same like that only. Okay, in that project I have to create some table like I'll just create one table like user. Okay, I'm creating user table, and there is a 4 rows in that. Okay, I'll just click on this. Okay, first I will just write here ID, user ID, which is integer, auto increment, and also you can see primary key, and then I will write here like a name, and I'll give like a varchar 100. Then maybe it's email, and here also I will give varchar as 100, and next will be, you can say like address, address. Okay, address, and address can be that's why I will do txt, and I'll click on this save button. You can see our data table is created. User, these are the 4 columns in that. Okay, then what exactly I have to do here? Okay, suppose I will just try to fetch this data after connection. I will just try to fetch this data. Okay, then I will just insert some demo record in that. I'll just click on insert. ID is auto increment, no need to then I will write here row HN Rohan, and email like row HN Rohan @myproject.com. This is some demo data I'm just writing here, and address like Pune. Just I'm writing this much only. Okay, again you can create another one like Nikhil, email ID nikhil@myproject.com. okay, address like Mumbai. Okay, I'll just click on go button here because I'm going to insert both the records, and again I will go in browse. We can see I have added 2 demo. Okay, now I will just go through our code. Okay, here I have to first do connection to the database. Then what I have to do, go in config, in application folder there is a config folder. Inside the config folder we can see there is a database.php. okay, you can see the path. Okay, through that part only you have to do. Okay, here it is, and first of all it is asking your host name is that, username is not there, password is not that, database. What is database name our? It's this is our database, my project. Just copy this name here, and okay, if there is a password, you have set the password, then you have to write the password and also the username. Okay, then maybe username is root. Okay, done. this is done. Now we have not created a control model in our previous video. We have just create controller and the view, but we have to create a model. Then I'll just control S, because I will control U. I'll just copy this only path same as the controller. I'll just paste this because there is no demo default model is there. There is some index.php file. Okay, let it be. Then what exactly to do? Okay, for controller for I'll just give like testing module only, same name. Okay, and here it is not a it is model. Then there is a parent like modle model. Okay, there is CI model as a parent. Index is not there in this. Okay, you have to save this. Where exactly you have to save? In model. Inside the model you have to save like okay, then we'll go here. First view, controller and model. Okay, now what exactly here you have to load that model. Then what exactly to do? Okay, first of all we will create a function in this, like public function, like we'll get user details. We are calling this function, we are creating this function get user details. Okay, yes. Okay, get user details. Okay, in this function what exactly you have to do? We have to fetch the this data. Okay, then what exactly you have to do? I will just write here this arrow. What is the object here? You can see db. Okay, we have to just copy this arrow db arrow. Okay, sorry, it's going back. Why? Okay, here and here I have to write here like suppose I want to fetch. Directly we can write a query. There is another method also for fetching, maybe. Okay, query spelling what is query query. Okay, inside that we can write a query like any query like okay, again here you can get a query too. Okay, you can see, you can copy this query and paste it here, and do not want any condition, but fetch all the records. Okay, then this arrow result underscore array. Okay, and you can say okay, I'm just writing this variable here. Okay, user data, and I will just write here and see I'm right on fetch. I have written a select star from user and this, and result data it will return in an array, and I am just return that data. Means I have to call this function in our controller. Here is the controller, and title, below title we will write this. Okay, before title what exactly you have to do? Okay, first of all you have to load the can say model in this. Then how to load? To write your same this method, this only, like that only you have to do. You have to just paste here. Instead of view you have to just write here model. I'm just little bit confused here. Okay, I have to write here. My testing is the model name. Okay, model. I just little bit model. Maybe what is the model? Okay, model. Okay, here we have loaded the model. Then I have to call this function now. Get user details. I will just copy this name. How I will call? I will just I'll call here only. I will just write here this. Okay, what is this? Okay, this arrow. Here you have to write. I will just write function name. It will not call directly. Okay, I have to just write copy this model name here and just put here, and again I have to put this arrow. Okay, then it will call this name, and I will just write here like $user data, data. Okay, I will just write it in a data variable so that I can. Okay, see I'm calling this function. How I'm calling? Model name and then function name in this. Okay, and it will return this. Okay, in this user data, and this user data we can use in view. This is a view, and what exactly we do here? Okay, suppose I want to show in table format. Okay, I'll just remove this part. I'll just add your table. Okay, instead of table, what I'll do, I'll just take some live. Okay, I'll tell the bootstrap 4 tables, any table as you wish. I'll just go here and will copy complete one, and I will just replace all the view only. Now it will be very nice different. Okay, this is a live CDN. You can use your own can say local CDN. Okay, strip. I'll just change this name like user. Okay, users, and this is not required for us. Okay, okay, this is a column name. We'll just write here first is name, and next is email, and okay, email also address address. Okay, and just want this. Okay, you can see here I have written 3 column name here right now here, name, email and address, because in our database these only 3 columns are there. Okay, then what exactly to do? Okay, first of all I have to check whether we are getting the data here also from database or not. And then what I will do, here only I will just make some echo. I'm just starting pre which show in a proper array format, means human readable format. I'll just write your die. Okay, then I will go here, refresh the page. Runtime error testing is already exists, doesn't in CI module extend. Okay, CI module is not, maybe it's controller or CI modules. Maybe modules is there, I don't know. Okay, 1 minute. Testing already exists, doesn't extend CI module, line number 3. 1 minute. What the issue is? Function model, why it's showing the error? Minute CI model, no? 1 minute. I have to go in system now. What I will do, okay, this is a Visual Studio. This may be more helpful for us. I'll just copy this and just search here. I don't know where exactly. Okay, there is in system only. This folder is there. Okay, and when I just search for another one, okay, CI config. Okay, you can see this is model. Okay, this is model only. Then right name or wrong name? Okay, we have given same name. Okay, because of that this issue is occurred. Okay, then instead of this, what exactly do? Okay, testing model. I'll give here, I'll just control X, and okay, I will just give here also same name. Okay, and here also, and again I will check it. Okay, it's undefined testing $db. Okay, now it's showing that this is undefined. Okay, that issue was of name because our controller and model name was same. That's why it was showing that error, and now it's not showing this error. Okay, now exactly it's showing like this is not enabled to use. Why? Because this can can't enable to use. Then what exactly you have to do? In application folder there is a config folder. Go inside that folder, and inside that folder maybe we have to go in autoload.php. Okay, and here maybe there is a package library. Okay, maybe I have to put in library. Okay, I just remember right now. that I have to put your database. Okay, and Control S, and again I will just go here. You can see that okay, the error is removed. Now the result set error is there. You can see now how exactly I'm doing. I'm starting if I have already have a lot many projects, then if I show you directly from there, then this type of error has not been occurred to me. Then this is the only one time we have to do these changes, and further in the project you have to not do these changes. That's why maybe this problem may be occur to new who are using the Codeigniter framework. That's why I have installed the new framework, and then I have shown all the problems to you right now. Okay, this is the issue is coming in result set array in model. Okay, model, this is a model. Okay, I have given a wrong thing here. Okay, I'll just move this. I have to just write here. Okay, sorry, I've just write here maybe. Just have to remove your dollar maybe. Okay, I'll just paste here. Okay, there's one error, model testing.php. Okay, there is a query maybe. Okay, I have to just do this because we are calling directly from here, and I am just go here and just click on this button. Okay, now we can see we are fetching the data from database. Okay, our problem is solved for one and Nikki. Both the data is fetching from database, and again I'll just remove this. Means in this we are getting the data, and here there's a view. Okay, how exactly the view looking right now. Okay, that also we will see here. Okay, you can see this is the default data. Instead of this data, our database data will be shown these two rows. Okay, what exactly I have to do here now? I will just write here. Okay, one minute. Yeah, PHP. Okay, PHP if. Okay, we have to write here our this $user data. Okay. Okay, I'm checking whether it is empty or not. Okay, and here. Okay, you can get understand what exactly we've done. We have first call this function, okay, and get the data in this, and dollar data array, and just pass this array to the view, and this key we are using here. Okay, in that all the data is there. Means this data. Okay, this data means remove that echo maybe. Okay. Okay, here we have to just use a complete array. Then to write your loop, like I will just use a for each loop here. Okay, for each as $key arrow $value. Okay, I'll just close here the for each also. Okay, then I'll just write your value. I'll just write here. Okay, dollar value of, I will go here. First of all, it is name. I'll copy this name, and I'll just put your name, and just I will copy this both the TDs. Next is email, and last is sorry. Just click on this address. Okay, you can see, and maybe we have done empty for each. Okay, now we test in our browser whether it is okay. You can see now Rohan and its email ID and its address, Nikhil, both the data which are there in our database. Now these data are visible on our view. Okay, how the process is done, once again I will just tell you in a short way. First of all, these are the three files. First is this is view file, that is called testing.php, and second this is a testing.php, that is a controller, and this is model file, this is testing model.php. Okay, and what exactly done, first middle level is controller. Then first of all it will load the model, that is testing model, is this model, and afterwards through that model name, then you have to write the function name which is there in this model, that is get user details. You can see this get user details. We have come here and we have fired the query for select user. query, and we have fetched the data in array, completely pure array, and we have written that array to this function in this. And this is dollar data array. User data is a key, and this is also a key. Title we have not used here. Okay, in title we can use here like manage users, manage users. Okay, and I'll just paste, and so to use that, and we have passed that dollar data here. This is a testing function, testing view name. You can see phpmyadmin, write view name and the data. Dollar data means that we're passing this array, and this key we can use in view. We can see I have used dollar data, and I have to use in title. Suppose this is title. Also, I've just used this only, like okay. I'll just copy this also from here, and I'll just put in here also. Okay, see, again I'm just telling, you can say manage user. Okay, in title also it's showing a manage user only. Okay, see, this is a very simple way where I have completely explained all the model, view, control, all the structure what I have covered in this topic. First I have created a table here, insert the data from my phpmyadmin, and after that I have done a connection to the database in this database.php, which is in config folder. And after that in controller I have done this, all the get the data from database and show that data in our view. Now you can see in the view. See, by using this way I have done the connection, all the things which I have covered in this. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and once again don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and more interesting video related to Codeigniters I will be coming from that. I will make the video related to Codeigniter. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification icon to get instant notification of my upcoming video. And till then, bye and take care.